Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay with Short Point Creations, and in this video we're going to be talking about knife sharpening. Now typically when we're in our kitchen and we're sharpening a knife, we get one of these things, right? They come in the butcher block when we buy our knives, and I've seen on TV shows and cooking shows, you know, they take it out when they're ready to sharpen a knife. They go like this. Hold on, wait, they do like something like, wait, they go back. Oh, wait, they go top. Wait, do you pull? No, you don't pull. It's so difficult. You know what? It's a pain. You're not gonna do it. If it's that difficult, you're gonna put it off and put it off, and you're gonna have dull knives. So the folks at Empower Tools have taken their Diamond Cross Fast Track sharpening technology and have applied it to the kitchen. They've developed the Diamond Cross Fast Track knife sharpener. Now this knife sharpener is really cool. What I like about it is there are rare earth magnets embedded in this jig, okay? There are rare earth magnets that hold on the diamond plate itself, right? And this is a 220 grit diamond plate. These diamond plates, what I like about them is if this one eventually goes dull, you can get a new one and you don't have to buy a whole new jig. Also, if you want to get a different grit, say you want to go up to 1,000 grit, all you do is just go on their website and purchase the new diamond plate. They also have rare earth magnets embedded in the jig on the registration surface. Now this registration surface is for the knife. That's what the knife goes up against when you're going to sharpen it. And it's really great. It holds the knife at the perfect angle for sharpening, so you don't have to worry about, am I doing this right? Am I going to get a good result when I'm done? The jig makes it so that you get a great result every time. So to sharpen a knife, it's really straightforward. You take your diamond plate and you simply put it in the jig up against the rare earth magnet on this side until the rare earth magnet takes hold of the diamond plate. Then what I like to do when I sharpen on diamond plates, now it's not necessary, but it's my personal preference, I like to wet the knife, all right? For me, I just don't like that metal on metal sound and feeling. I like to give it a little bit of lubrication without using the oil. And then to sharpen, it's really straightforward. You just hold the jig like this, put the knife in up against the registration surface, right? The rare earth magnets are going to hold the knife, and you just pull back. All right, now that sharpens this side here, right? Now to sharpen the other side of the knife, simply just turn the jig around, hold it, put the knife up against the registration surface, and pull back. It's really, really easy, very straightforward, so anybody can get great sharpening results on their knives. Now it does have a lapping surface on the back if that's what you want to do to finish the edge on your blade. So that's a great feature of this jig as well. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you real quick the Diamond Cross Fast Track knife sharpener and how easy it was to use. Of course, they still have their Diamond Cross Fast Track sharpening system for chisels and plane blades, which makes sharpening chisels and plane blades very simple. If you have any questions about any of these products or any of the other products Empower Tools has, go ahead and shoot them an email, give them a call. They're a really great company, very responsive. Shoot me an email or a question or a comment. I'll take care of it. I'll get you an answer as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't, and share this with a friend of yours if you think they'd like it. All right guys, hey, thanks a lot. I'll catch you on the next one.